This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rick Brown. Sought after location: Immaculate 2-bedroom 2-bath and unit condo in the heart of West Hills. Convenient, easy access to everything West Knoxville has to offer. Has a great open floor plan with lots of natural light in every room. Gorgeous vaulted ceilings with skylights and very large master bedroom with walk-in closet and private bath. A must-see. Hurry, won't last long. TV wall mounts in living room do not convey. Washer and dryer do not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Brown at 865-584-4000.